What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kids. We are back for another video. Nike Outlet Watts. They're the only ones, I think. Them at Westlake. There weren't that many sales last week. I don't know. Let's go see if they got any sales. What the hell? Why is there a bunch of donuts? I just stepped on a donut. Watching my camera while I walk. All right, guys. We are out in the Watts. This has been one of the doper Nike outlets. Let's see what's up. Make sure you guys go ahead. Make sure you guys subscribe. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that like button too. All right, let's go. Medium size outlet, not too big, not too small. Do got refurbished here. Also got 20% off the clearance. Yeah, man. Hopefully I can find something refurbished. Gonna start in the size 10. See a size 9 here though. Can't skip that. Look at that, dude. 20% off. Was it the red Oreos? Looks like it's been tried on at least. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's been worn like that. But not bad. 20% off. This is a size 9, so 2 bills. So you get it for $160. Not bad. Not bad. Kyrie Infinities. I was like, am I gonna grab these? $80. $80, 20% off. Was that 60? Was that 64 bucks? $64 after the 20. Not too bad. I don't know if size 10 would fit. Does say gently worn. Pretty clean. I'm already pretty happy with some of the stuff that we found. Finding some doper stuff. Zion 2, size 9.5. Go for $120. Waffle debuts. Gently worn. Go for $35. And then you get another 20% off. Look, like that. See? Like, people tell me, oh no, it's because they refurbished it. Look, they didn't refurbish nothing on this one. Look, you can see all the marks on it. Man. Should be imperfect, dude. Vapor React hard courts, NXT hard courts, some tennis shoes, go for 80 bucks. Luca PEs, these are the Jordan 36 lows, go for 90. 90, you get an extra 20% off on top of that. Damn, that's dope, that's dope. Hey, I'm seeing if these are wide, if these are narrow. They're not too bad, because I do have wide feet. As you guys are new to the channel, the Jordan, I don't know, some of the other performance Jordans, the 33s, 34s, like some of them were narrow as hell. These don't seem that bad. I'm trying to think about the color. These ain't bad at all, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Did them at $72, dude. $72. That's not bad at all. 72 bucks, dude. Damn. If I should pull the trigger. Did them at $72, dude. $72. That's not bad at all. 72 bucks, dude. Damn. If I should pull the trigger. I might have to grab these. I might have to grab these. Damn. Just, man, for the money, under 100 bucks. Damn, 72 bucks? Yeah, I might have to grab these Luca PEs. Welcome to my house. I haven't heard this song in a while. All right, yeah, I'm gonna have to grab these, dude. Yeah, they're just 72 bucks. All right, let's go. I don't know. What do you guys think about the color? This is probably Luca's last PE with the Jordan line, because he does have his own shoes. So, yeah, these are pretty clean, dude. All right, let's grab them. LeBron Palmer's size 10 go for $120. I did see some KDs down here, and let's see what the story with these are, because this is a refurbished. Gently $75. $75 for KDs. Comes with an extra sticker on top. You do get another 20% off, so that's what, $15 off. So $60. 60 freaking bucks for some KDs. These are the KD 14s. Wow, that's what's up. That's what's up. It does say gently worn. Oh, okay, I do see a little bit of wear on them. Okay, see, like people tell me, hey, no, they've been cleaned out. I'm telling you, most of the times, I don't think they are, dude. I don't think they are. Okay. Jordan 1 Low Golf. I think I got one of these at home, right? I gave one to the nephews too. $140. That's a size 10.5. Alpha Fly Next Percent. So kind of regretting not getting these before. 9.5. $175. Going down in size, I'm purposely looking for as many of these refurbished sneakers. Pegasus 37 Shields. Size 9.5 go for 85 bucks. Nike Reacts. Haven't seen one of these in a while. $43. One of the budget shocks right here. It's one of the shocks, right? I thought it was one of the shocks. Maybe not. Maybe not. The LeBrons right here. Been seeing these at a ton of spots. $230. Got some KDs in a size 8 right here, going for $80. Wow. I don't see any 9.5s. Slim pickings on 9.5s. And then $88 for these. These look clean, dude. These look clean. There might be. I don't know, dude. These look clean, dude. These look clean. Maybe someone tried it on. $88 though. $88 freaking dollars. Remember, you did get another 20% off. Man, we seen steals here. Holy crap. Size 8. Oh, it's a Jordan 13 box. What the hell? Jordan Mod 2s. Size 8. $63. Some wannabe zebras right here. I don't know what that price is. Metcon 8s. Nike by You. This is actually pretty dope colorway. I'm not gonna lie. This man, you did a pretty good job, buddy. He didn't like him though. Didn't like him from the 808. Or is that Bob? Is that Bob or 808? Oh, but I don't know. They're going for $160. Blazers now down to $90. Man, where were you when I needed these last month, fools? All right, checking the biggest sizes now. 11 and up. I guess with the exception of these. Tempo Next Percent Flyknits go for $100. Does say slightly imperfect. You really do have to look at those carefully. Roshi Golf size 11 go for $80. It's interesting. Remember the Roshis, man? Nobody used to be on those. Size 10.5. Some dunks. Get that for a nice little discount. Witnesses. $95. You need some cycling sneakers. Look at this. $20. Pretty much free. Everybody needs Monarchs, right? No, not really. They just go for $38. That is gently worn. Size 12. Man, retail? Really? Really? Forces. Go for $100. 11.5 trainers. Go for $100. All black ice shot. Size 12. $1.15. 10.5 on these. Laker Miz. Be able to get those for $20. That's pretty dope. Back to the 12s. Air Max 95. $1.75. Size 14s. Got these right here. Retail though. Not much size 13s and stuff like that. Do got these size 15 Vaporfly Next Percent. $1.25. That is gently worn. Then got, what is this? The Vomero 14s go for $100. That's about it though. Nothing really too exciting here. Looking around now, see what's going on. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. $1.40. I don't think they're giving a discount on this. This is a Jordan 1 Low OG with that nice leather on it. Oh my god. The color blocking on this is awesome as well. You can see it's the OG color blocking. These are fire, dude. These are fire. $1.40. It's pricey because it is OG. Also got these, but you know, we've seen these in plenty of spots. So were these doper or the Luca PEs that I got? Look at this, $70 freaking dollars. That is just hella cheap. Oh my goodness. That is ridiculous. Only smaller sizes though, 7.5 up to what, 8.5? Yeah, that's it. Dang. Kid size pretty much. They do got Jordan Air 200Es. That's probably the cheapest I've seen those. Westbrook Take 1s. Even got Hydros going down in price, man. That's what's up. They do got a bunch of these Team Jordans, these non-signatures. I don't know, most people don't really ask for them, so I'm not really gonna, I'm showing them, but I'm not really showing them. I don't know, whatever. But they're here. They got a plenty. Zoom Freak 4s. Really good discount. Wow. That's like half price, right? Almost. KD Trey 510s. 9s going for more. We've talked about why that is. That's funny. Another one of those. More Trey 5.9s. KD 15s. Witness 6s. Another one of those. Got a couple of Soldiers. And of course, you guys know these are the Soldier 14s. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. Both of these got the Zoom X. Zoom X is hella comfy, but I don't know if this is recycled Zoom X or what. Looks different than the regular Zoom X. Next Nature is all the recycled stuff. Pegasus 37s. Got a few of them. All black. Can't go wrong with that. Epic Phantom React Flyknits. Cosmic Unity 2s. Air Del Dons. Some basketball sneakers. I think I saw the Del Dons like at the clearance store for like $50 if you guys need those. Flytrap 5s. Another one of those. Flytrap 4s. Alright, searching. Got some. I guess there's stuff here to show you. Got some Hirachis. Some cheap Hirachis. These are the Crater Premiums. Killshot 2 leathers. Air Force mids. Quick Strikes. We've seen these go down in price. This one as well. They should continue to fall. Got some highs. Got some trainers. Air Max Plus. Weren't these like super popular? Like they see popularity seems to have died. Flyknit racers. Aren't they suing Lululemon because of the Flyknit material or something? Air Max 2090s. Got some Air Max 95s. Got a trio of these. Price is just falling. Wow, that's hella cheap. Air Max 97s. That in the middle. Air Max 90s. 270s. Vapor Max Plus. Vapor Max Flyknit. Holy cow, $120. And we got Vapor Max Flyknits for $110. Wow. The women's section has been pretty dead at most of the outlets. Most of the sneaker shops too, but definitely gonna check just because they got refurbished stuff and they got some steals here. 9.5 women's. Got some Dunk. These are the high ups though, but $63. Remember you did get that 20 off. Size 9, got some Jordan 2s. I'm not a huge fan of those. $250 for those. MX 95 OGs, $180. To be able to get Jordan 1s. These are mids, but they're SCs. To be able to get that for 20% off, not bad. Damn, they set me up, dog. They put that in the crack. If y'all know what the hell I'm talking about, that means you guys go to the outlets too much. That's what that means. Yeah, those are whatever. Dude, they got the Jordan Moss. Haven't seen one of these. Air Mays, I mean. $180 for those. Jordan 2 women. That's pretty fire to be able to get that. That's size 8.5. So what size 7 men's? Okay. Or 7 kids. Size 8 blazers go for $125. 2 bills for these. Tempo Next Percent Flyknits, $100. Oh, that's the same as the guys. Air Max 97, so $110 for those. These are all size 8s. Pretty clean blazers right here, go for $85. Another one of these, size 8 women's. Jordan 2s. Dude got Air Max 97s, $185 for those though. That's pretty cool colorway. Size 6, $68 for the Pegasus 39s right here. These are gently worn. 38s right here go for $60. Got some mids, size 6, $135. Now we're gonna check out the women's aisle, see what's going on here. Yeah, these don't look like Air Force at all. Air Force One platforms look weird as hell. Different Nike sound on this one. All right, this one's better. Air Force One Shadow. Price a little high though. All white retail. Tennis ball for retail. Hirachis right here. Got these Dunks right here. This is what I'm talking about when I say the women's section is pretty, like just dookie, downshifters. What the hell is this? The in-season trainers. The essential, like, man, it's just been extra mediocre. This is grade school right here. Air Max 97s. Yeah, that price on that one's really, really dope. Dude got Air Max 90s right here. Air Max 90s. Grade school 10 times better than the women's. Damn, dude. Air Force Ones. Oh, that's about it, man. That's about it. All right, I'm gonna grab these. Maybe look through. Maybe look through the clearance apparel. Let's go see what's up over there. Talked about this before the college playoffs. Do got a bunch of the college gear. It's for all the playoff teams. Got Michigan here, Georgia right here, TCU right there. None of it on sale though, man. None of it on sale. Oh, they got OSU right here. They got Tech Fleece. They got all the gear. It's like nice, but it's all regular price, man. Like definitely not messing with regular price. Messing with this right here. That's what I'm messing with. See if they got any clearance apparel. They got football shorts going for $30, double XL. Damn, $85 for these. This is a small too. Like the sweats that fit the recycled stuff. I don't know, but okay. Some fleece shorts right here. This is really dope material. 70 down to 40. That's not bad, especially with 20% off on top. Never seen these shorts right here. $38 for these. Oh, these are skateboarding. $30. Damn, these are skateboarding. These are fire. I've never seen these shorts. Like cargo shorts, Nike cargo shorts. The 38 waist. Then right next to that, golf 36 waist. $30 for that. Got the XL shorts right here. These are pretty fire, dude. These are pretty fire. $25. Normally $55. I think they're still a little short, but pretty thick material. I just got a regular blank jersey going for $30. This is a rack for the shirts and stuff. But yeah, XL LeBron jacket, $320 down to $120. Get 20% off. That is an XL. USA, that's a blank jersey. Damn, if this is a blank jersey, right? Yeah, if this had a number or something, I probably would get it. Oh, it's XL. I can't fit an XL. That is fire though. $60. Remember the USA. USA is hosting for the next one, so I need to get some USA apparel for that. Man, the World Cup's in the US gonna be dope. Lake Show shirt, extra small, $35 down to $35. Okay, you get 20 off at least. 76er shirt, same discount Dodger shirt, $35 down to $30 at least. Okay. Oh, that's Bellinger. Come on now, man. That fool got traded a while ago, man. Come on now, dog. Yeah, not really seeing much, dude. Not really seeing much. They got ATL jersey right here. There's a blank one though. Swingman blank one. $80 for that. That's about it, dude. That's about it. All right, let's pay for this and get out of here. At least I found some steal. All right, did grab these. Pretty freaking fire. Very happy to grab these. $72. I did use. The alarm went off because they didn't take the security things off. How did I not notice? Like, I've been doing this for a while now. But yeah, finally used a $50 gift card. I still have one left. So yeah, but that's pretty dope, dude. All right, guys, that was pretty dope. That is one of my favorite locations right now. This is, you know, like they got the refurbished stuff. They got the prices. They got sales when nobody else got sales. So yeah, this is pretty dope. Definitely glad to hit them up. Definitely glad to find these on sale. Like, that was pretty fire. Like, I wasn't dying for these, but I was like, hey, if I find them for a pretty good deal, might get them. And I'm trying to remember, I think this is the lowest price I've seen them for. I think it was like 100 minus 30% off. I think that was the cheapest, and then they did have them at like $80, something like that, but no additional discounts afterwards. But not bad, not bad. I'm a huge fan of the refurbished section. Make sure you guys just look at the sneakers and stuff before you buy them. Some of them are imperfect and stuff like that. Those, like, I've seen ones where they have issues. The gently worn stuff, I haven't really seen any issues with those. Most of those have been hella clean. Showed you guys a couple that weren't clean. But yeah, it's definitely worth it. You can find some steals, get that extra 20% off. So definitely worth it. And if you guys do come out here, make sure you guys know the area. Don't drive down all the small streets, stuff like that, because that's just, you just know that if you've been in the hood quite a bit. If you grow up in the hood, you just kind of know that. But yeah, make sure you guys stay safe. Nowadays, make sure you guys stay safe anywhere, because it's bad anywhere, dude. I make sure I hide stuff in the car, make sure stuff's not readily available. I don't walk around with 10 different bags and stuff, because it's, man, stuff's crazy. But yeah, but thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you guys help a boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty of videos coming. Those of you guys that have been rocking with the channel, whether you're new, whether you're old, definitely appreciate each and every one of you for watching the channel, because I get a good amount of views. So definitely appreciate you guys. Got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.